www.tvturk.net. Sesini dünya duysun.
This house belonged to the parents of a close friend of mine. Her name is Raz. It's the Tamari house. And both her parents were murdered here on the 7th of October.
She was a great teacher. She was one of the best. And she didn't do anything wrong to anyone.
Felt like the safest, most happiest piece of heaven that you can find.
So you can see the diamond shape with the C, so it means that this place is cleared. But wherever you see the circle with the dot inside, it means that there was an Israeli body shoot you when you try and climb outside from the window itself, just in order to find some remains to identify the people. We're going. Yeah. Agriculture. They work to the end. Going here and to the left. To the right. Who wouldn't want to live in this kibbutz?
You wanted to stay with her.
This is the next generation. Inside and outside. Community, 19 people were murdered here.
We are hiding in the safe room. They were at my window. We are under the bed, Naol and myself. Do you hear soldiers? Send me your location. She's saying okay, and she sends a location. 11:16. Are there soldiers in your neighborhood? She's not replying. 12:21. Sivani, he calls her. 10:40 p.m. Sivani.
You know, the worst part is we didn't know who died, who was kidnapped, until the next day.
In this kibbutz, 64 people murdered, 19 was kidnapped, numerous wounded. But the most important thing is that 5 are still hostages in captivity in Gaza. This says Kfar Aza is my home. Hopefully one day I can host you in my home.
Good things.
Take the message.
First of all, thank you all for sharing the stories with us, and I just have to say it's very humbling for me to be with you, with the heroic acts that you did. You never know what you're training, where life puts you, and then when the moment comes, you know, sometimes we do things even more than we know we're capable of doing. But what you did made a massive difference, and hearing these stories, there's a million different ways these things could have gone, but I respect, my appreciation, and really my love to all of you. And so just really thank you for what you did. So, can I give you each a hug?
היום אנחנו רוצים רק להיכנס לבית של סיוון נתן.
She's a hero.
She's a hero. לגמרי hero.
We're fighting with her together.
Thank you.
Really thank you. תודה.
איפה יעל?
İnternet yayıncılığında yepyeni bir dönem başlıyor. www.tvturk.net